Recording in progress.
好啦，各位 P6，我哋又翻嚟啦。好啦，事不宜遲，直接講啦。我哋第一樣嘢咧，1至7咧都係應該你哋要識嘅嘢嚟嘅。OK， 第一 Endangered Animals 而家大部分學校已經教咗嗰本書嘅啦，或者未嘅話，其實你之後嗰1、2本就已經會學到㗎啦。咁你當係臨時備課又好，點樣都好啦。OK， 跟住 To plant palm tree，OK， 就係講緊種植棕櫚樹。點解啲人會寧願砍伐晒成個樹林，跟住都要起 palm tree 咧？其實就係講緊之前有個講嘅，有利益啊，有錢賺㗎，得唔得？佢可以提取到一啲棕櫚油嘅。Wealthy people 就係講緊一啲有錢嘅人啦。And cute details for their fur 呢一個字咧，其實我要你哋識嘅。得唔得？冇嘅意思啊 ，OK？ 咁跟住啦 ，capture them and sell them as pet。第一樣嘢，我捉住咗佢哋，再當佢哋係一個寵物咁樣賣 ，OK？ 有講過嘅話，哇！真係原來有啲人咧會覺得咧養獵豹係一件好嘅事嚟嘅 ，OK？ 而跟住再落去第6個字咧，就係講緊 habitat， 就係講緊棲息地啦，得唔得？就係講緊其實動物嘅屋企啫。動物嘅家 ，OK， 跟住啦 transmitted 就係講佢會傳播一啲嘢出去嘅，得唔得？咁跟住啦，再落去啦，下面呢一度咧就入戲肉啦。正常每間學校都會考㗎啦，今次 OK， 咁我哋一齊睇翻先。第一樣嘢，你見到我係 mix 咗2個 topic 嘅。得唔得？咁通常咧，如果係一啲考得難啲嘅考試或者測驗啊、學校啊，都中意 mix 1至2個 grammar topic 去考嘅。第一樣嘢 long ago 啦，通常都係會講翻就係話啊，好耐之前咧 in a distant land，OK， 係一個好偏遠嘅一個地區，就係 was a legend， 咁就話啦，啊有一個咧傳說啦，唔知點樣，佢就話咯，咦有一隻咧 amet 咧，即係佢乜嘢 ordinary objects into gold。第一樣嘢你見到有 into， 幫我打翻粒星星，你就應該要用翻 turn。而第二樣嘢佢係括後面嘅動詞，所以唔變嘅，得唔得？所以其實你做呢一類型咧，你一定要睇得好清楚，要好小心，得唔得？第一，因為 mix 咗2個 grammar topic， 第二佢唔一定下下叫你自己寫翻晒 turn into 出嚟，佢可以喺後面俾咗 into 你。咁換句話說，你只係需要寫 turn 啫，得唔得？咁如果你傻更更再寫 turn into ordinary object into gold， 咁就錯咗啦。得唔得？咁跟住嗱，佢就話 many adventurers had tried to 乜嘢 is location。佢就話其實咧好多冒險家咧都好想去乜嘢個位置啊，去揾出嚟啦。咁所以呢一度我哋應該會寫乜嘢？佢話好想揾到個位置喎。咁英文我哋應該就會係用翻 look for， 因為 look for 呢個字係解尋找嘅意思啊嘛。OK， 想揾翻佢個位置啦 ，but no one had succeeded， 得唔得？冇人成功啊！咁跟住啦，佢話 Tom and Lily two brave explorers， 咁就話啦，阿 Tom 同 Lily 咧其實係2個好勇敢嘅一個探索者 ，OK，decided to take on the challenge， 就決定咧去迎接呢個挑戰啦，得唔得？咁跟住啦，我哋繼續睇下咯喎。好 ，at first。首先 they were unsure of where to start。好啦，第一樣嘢佢本身唔肯定嘅，唔肯定應該要做啲乜嘢，跟住佢哋就決定咗唔知乜嘢 plan， 再集合翻佢哋嘅勇氣去乜嘢佢哋嘅 journey。之前有一段 video 咧，我話見到有 journey 嘅話咧，你應該要用到 set off， 所以其實你呢一度你已經可以寫咗 set off 先，去出發佢哋嘅旅程啊嘛。咁跟住啦，佢哋會乜嘢 decided to 乜嘢 a plan。make up 咧，除咗可以解虛構咧，都可以解製造啊。得唔得？佢真係去整一個計劃出嚟嘅，得唔得？件事係可行性會大啲嘅。咁跟住啦，繼續睇咯喎。好啦 ，they travel through the dense forest。好啦，佢哋就行咗一個好密集嘅森林啦。dense 呢一個字唔係解跳舞啊，係密集嘅意思啊。OK， 即係嗰啲樹林好茂盛嘅 over steep mountains， 喺一啲好斜嘅山度啊。OK，and always eager to 乜嘢 the clues， 同埋咧成日都好想唔知乜嘢啲線索喎。去尋找揾出嚟啦，找出啲 clues about the missing whereabouts。OK， 咁跟住啦，再落到去咯，揾完啦，算完之後，我哋就要落呢個字啦。OK，soon they noticed strange markings。突然間佢喺個森林咧就見到一啲好奇怪嘅一啲標誌啦。咁我哋再睇下啦，咩標誌咧？喺啲樹上面喎。Which they thought might lead them to the treasure。咁佢哋就開始諗啦，其實呢啲標誌會唔會前人留低，帶住我哋去揾翻個寶藏㗎？成日都出㗎啦，如果考得呢個 grammar topic，OK？咁跟住啦，佢哋嘅旅程 was not easy。They had 乜嘢 most of their supplies。而家講緊佢哋嘅補給品啊，即係可能啲糧食啊、其他嘢啊。 就差唔多用盡啦。They had almost used up， 差唔多用盡咗嘅意思啊！我哋有教上堂，因為有啲學校會考呢一個字啊，所以我哋都要講埋，得唔得？好啦，佢哋就差唔多用盡咗佢哋嘅補給品 ，and we're feeling tired。OK， 咁跟住啦，乜嘢佢哋決心繼續行落去？喂，咁我而家本身講緊呢件事係唔好噶嘛？但係佢決定繼續喎 ，keep going 嘅意思係等於 continue 繼續啊嘛。咁所以呢度一好一唔好，我哋就會用到 however， 得唔得？記住。咁跟住啦，再落去啦，唔知乜嘢地 stumble upon， 乜嘢叫 stumble upon 咧？絆倒嘅意思，棘親啊，係一個 ancient grave， 得唔得？係一個好古老嘅一個洞穴啦。咁呢一度我哋就會應該係突然嘅意思 ，suddenly。佢係突然間撲親喎 ，OK， 咁跟住啦 ，this discovery filled them with hope， 佢突然間揾到一個好舊嘅地圖，得唔得？咁所以佢就開始覺得有啲希望喎 ，OK， 咁跟住啦，呢一度係難啲嘅，因為佢動詞俾晒你啊，得唔得 ？As it could soon be the key to their quest， 因為佢好快成為咗佢哋嘅關鍵啊，得唔得？咁跟住啦，去到呢度啦，你已經見到尾巴，咁所以呢個位你一定要落 at last 咯。At last, they heard a loud noise。突然間我聽到咧好大嘅聲音喎，跟住啦 ，they knew they had to 唔知乜嘢 quickly。咁我哋就發現啦，喂，佢哋要點樣啊？因為係講緊呢個字啊 ，collapse 啊，佢哋開始倒塌啊，得唔得 ？collapse 我哋之前學 earthquake 嗰課我哋都有講到嘅，得唔得 ？They had to get away quickly， 佢哋要逃走啦。得唔得？咁所以今日成篇嘢就係喺呢度。你話係咪要轉好多 tense？ 其實又唔係嘅，但係反而就真係你要再理解清楚多少少，同埋望多啲前後啫，得唔得 ？OK， 好，咁跟住再落到去，我哋就直接開始去到 reading 嗰 part 啦。reading 嗰 part 咧，今次咧跟多啲少少五面段啦，因為佢哋比較中意出 MC 嘅，得唔得？咁所以換句話說，都對其他同學輕鬆咗啲㗎。而家一齊睇啦，而家佢話 Why did Leo join the queue？OK， 點解要一齊排隊啊 ？At the bakery， 好啦，一齊睇翻先，邊度有 bakery 先？或者邊度有講嘅話 join the queue？OK， sorry， 應該喺呢度。而家佢就話啦，有個 small bakery known for its delicious egg tart， 咁即係好出名蛋撻啦。And these pastries， 即係呢啲糕點啊，得唔得？呢啲糕點啦 ，were so popular that people would line up for hours。哇，受歡迎到啲人願意等幾個鐘 to get a taste， 去嘗試一下。And every weekend the line stretch around the corner， 講緊條隊有幾長啫？得唔得？講緊條隊有幾長啫，因為佢係講緊喂條隊咧，可以一直伸延到去轉角位嘅。OK， 好啦 ，full of eager customer， 咁即係充滿住一啲喂真係好熱切期待嘅一啲顧客人啊。OK， 咁跟住啦，再落去，所以換句話說，第一段就完全冇講到點解佢要排隊啦，或者冇講到阿 John 有冇排隊啦。咁所以我哋就會落到去第二段。好啦 ，Once Saturday morning， 佢話有一個星期六嘅早上啊。Leo 啦 joining the queue waiting for his best friend。咁所以其實第一題已經出咗啦。點解啊？點解啊？係咪講緊就係應該係 A、B、C、D？ 咁你會講咩？度啦。跟住啦，再落去啦。What did the teenagers do when they arrived？ 當佢到達咗 bakery 嘅時候，其實佢哋做咗啲乜嘢？咁我哋一齊睇翻先喎。好，邊度有 teenagers 啊 ？teenagers。咦，我去到呢一度啦，定為 just then a group of teenagers casually walk up。好啦，好似好平常咁啊，得唔得？好似冇嘢發生，好順其自然就行咗上前啦。喂 ，OK，without a word slipped into line。咁其實乜嘢意思咧？即係講緊其實佢 cut the queue， 即係去到打尖嘅意思啊 ，skip the line。OK。咁所以其實當我哋問佢做咗啲咩嘅話，咁佢就 cut in line 啦。咁我哋就幫佢寫翻 C。OK， 最後啦，跟住啦再講翻喎 ，How did Leo address the situation？ 佢點樣去 address 佢 ？address 呢個字記住並不是解地址啦，呢度會解處理啊。而家佢問緊啦，喂係啊，而家真係講緊俾人打尖啊，但係呢度做咗啲乜嘢？我哋一齊睇下啦。究竟佢好怕事咁，由佢啦，我唔想嗌交啊，定係點樣咧？好啦 ，Leo was taken aback。by the rudeness， 哇！首先其實佢再退咗一步，跟住 he hesitated for a moment， 佢猶豫咗啊。 OK，unsure of what to do， 佢本身唔知應該要做啲乜嘢嘅。咁跟住啦 ，he felt it was unfair that they had cut in line。喂，好唔公平喎！排咗咁耐，得唔得 ？unfair 就係解好唔公平啦。OK，but they also didn't want to cause a scene。乜嘢叫做 cause a scene 咧？即係令到個場面咧係好戲劇化嘅。幫我寫低引起大場面。呢一度 cause 先咧就會更加多理解成一個鬧劇啊，即係佢唔想等所有人嘅 attention 都望住咗自己，明白 ？OK， 咁我哋一齊睇下啦。跟住 gathering his courage， 好啦，咁佢咧就聚集咗佢嘅勇氣啦。OK， 咦？佢 politely 去處理喎，點樣 ？Excuse me, we have been all waiting for quite some time。其實我哋都等咗好耐。Could you please join the line at the back？ 你可唔可以企翻去後面啊？得唔得？佢成句都講得好有禮貌嘅，所有用字都咁，所以 A、B、C、D 我哋呢度會係 C 啦。佢好有禮貌咁樣問佢，喂，企翻後面啦咁樣 ，OK。跟住啦 ，What was the reaction？Reaction 係點解咧？反應啊。OK， 咁啲 teenagers 個反應係點啊 ？Actually, you spoke to them。咁我哋一齊睇翻啦。喂，究竟點算啊？The teenager looked surprised but realised their mistake。OK， 咁佢就呆咗啦，咁樣，咁樣，跟住咧就明白自己都錯嘅，好啦。咁跟住啦，即係 apologize。其實 apologize 點解咧？幫我寫得等於 say sorry to 嘅，得唔得？佢道歉啊，第一樣嘢，跟住啦就行翻去後面啦。咁所以其實都冇乜特別啊，咪就係行翻咗去後面咯。Boy。OK， 咁跟住啦，再落去啦。What lessons did 你要learn啦？如果你本身仲未識 lessons 嘅話，就一定要幫我識咗佢啦，小六教訓啊，或者係講緊一個道理啊，幫我寫低。咁就視乎翻嗰件事本身，佢係處於理虧嗰人定咩啦？咁而家 Leo 並不是噶嘛，咁所以其實佢只係學到一個道理咯，佢唔會學到一個教訓，佢冇做錯事噶嘛。咁我哋一齊睇下啦。我其實有冇講到咩 lessons 啊？OK， 咁跟住啦 ，the people around Leo nodded in approval， 咁即係其實都認同佢咁樣做啊。approval 係解認同啦，而第二樣嘢 nodded 係解點頭啦，即係覺得做得好好啊呢個小朋友。OK，he felt a sense of relief and pride。好啦，第一樣嘢佢鬆咗一口氣，同埋就釋放咗啦。啊 ，sorry， 呢個係驕傲啊。咁咩叫做 stand up for himself 咧？佢為佢自己出頭嘅，唔係解為自己企起身啊，好奇怪啊 ！OK， 為自己出頭嘅 ，OK， 為自己發聲嘅。好，咁跟住啦，再落去喎。咁究竟其實佢學習到啲乜嘢嘢啊？好，今次再睇啦。第一，我唔會講緊話啊，我去買糕點係好重要㗎，唔關我事啦，拜拜。對 joy 咁唔關我事啦，都唔關快樂事啦。咁跟住就 important of fairness。咦，嗱呢個字好似樣喎，我哋啱啱有見過佢喎，係咪 ？And speaking up for what's right， 得唔得？佢為自己挺身而出，對一啲係正確嘅事情。OK， 咁所以我哋都會揀翻 C 啦。跟住到第六題啦。How did Leo feel？ 咁而家就問緊啦，喂 Leo 嘅感受係點啊 ？As you walk home after buying the egg tarts， 喂究竟佢翻到屋企嘅感受係點啊？喂，好簡單啦 ，OK， 咁其實都唔需要多諗，咁所以呢一度就應該要揀到係 boy 啦。而最後啦，個 once 係指翻咩？呢一題咧，我哋就一齊上翻去睇。我記得我揀咗呢一度。好 ，he patiently waited in line and watching people around him chat and joke to pass the time。而家佢就話啦，咁因為排緊好多隊啊嘛，咁所以啦，佢就望住啲人咧喺佢身邊咧，會傾下偈啦，笑下啦，去消磨時間啊 ，pass the time 係解。跟住啦，同一時間佢都喺度諗緊，如果我屋企人食到呢一啲糕點嘅話，係乜嘢心情？所以 once 會係解翻 the task 啦，啲食物得唔得？所以今日嘅 reading 其實冇咁難嘅，應該上一份難啲嘅，得唔得？如果你上一份都未做嘅話，我建議你唔該快啲翻去做翻上一份啊。OK，咁今日嘅小六嘅重點筆記就暫時去到呢一度先，好啦，拜拜。